Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONVO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement on Friday, and then you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going into next week. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. We've said, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 50 cents. Now don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 50, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back, though, and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As next week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Yeah, again, staying above 50 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as the sellers are at, near term right there at 53 cents is going to be that first key level. And then after that, nothing fancy or complicated other than the fact that the party officially stopped on Friday right up there at the 55 cent mark. So keep an eye on those couple levels, but really resistance levels don't matter that much. Why do I say that? Well, really, they don't matter at all. And I say that because what matters is what the price has already started to do. So if you look at where those lows were and then that low, and then you go up there with that low, if you picture those as stair steps, you can see the stair steps are now starting to be constructed in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see. You want to see stair steps being built in the upwards direction. So yes, resistance levels matter, but what ultimately matter are those healthy consolidations and chipping away with higher lows and higher lows. So let's see if the bulls can continue to do that or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.